First up, we got Lil Yachty. Won't Diss You. Hey, this beat hard.
Hey. These niggas ain't never had struggles. These niggas ain't never had issues. Cross me, rapping in tissue. Not still going on like I miss you. Won't dish you, nah, won't dish you. Won't dish you, nah, won't dish you. Online, nah, never go dish you. If anything, I say I miss you. In person, we'll get right with you. In person, we step to your door. I drive the Rolls Royce like your door. Put that motherfucker inside the law. I love vodka, need it for four.
Nah, this beat is hard as fuck, bro. This beat is stupid hard.
We rock like the Stones. I jump off a quarter at Chrome. I fuck up a sack for dome. I never kept up with the Jones. My earrings big as a bone. Me and Twin want the same cologne. Me and Twin fuck these bitches in twos. If it's up, fuck it the fuse. I need head on a blade. Brand new Mercedes, Alpine, bust out the grave. I done got two blades, bad bitch blazing. How about them pop out your fade? How about them break out the cage? Eat up an X and day. I'm smirking behind these shades. It's that verse for her, she laid. How about him pop out the cage? How about him slide through fade? How about Crisco fade? Slide a cully straight through the blade. That's scrappy. I found receipts so the bitch get nasty. Pop it, pop out, go Gretzky. Bitch get cheeky, I guessed it. Ice that new necklace. Ice cross for X's. They weak on accident. I fell in love with a Texan. How about him pop out the cage? How about him slide through fade? How about Crisco fade? Slide a cully straight through the blade. Paint it all real like the brick.
This shit tough, bro. This shit tough. That boy said hop up, quick scope phase. This shit tough, bro.
Be a raise. How about Molly's beige? How about low flight beige? You see me, feel me. You cap, you need an Emmy. You got, you dimmy. You slime past your limits. I can see all your gimmicks. I can tell you're timid. I pop out the sentence. Put a bad bitch in a blender. How about put a bad bitch in a How about blend? How about blend? Blend.
What the
Blend.
fuck?
Blend. Fun nigga spin. 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 Fun nigga move around.
That's cool. I like that shit. That shit was cool. That shit was groovy. I like the beat. As far as the music video goes, I fuck with the vibe. It was cool. Kind of giving me like some, I don't even know what the word is, but like for like the aesthetic. But it's cool. I fuck with it. It's groovy as fuck, bro. That beat is crazy. Lyricism. I like some of the lyrics, some of the bars. Hop out, quick scope fade. That's my favorite shit. But that is a really, I don't want to say really good because that's first listen. That's a good song though. That shit definitely go into my playlist. I could definitely see me like bumping that shit heavy, bro. That's just a good vibes ass song, bro. Shout out Lil Yachty, man. If I had to go initial rating, I'll probably go an 8 out of 10. I feel like in terms of like bars, I didn't get everything I could have got out of it. Type shit, but it's still really good, bruh. And that's as far as bars go, that's something you pick up as you listen to the song more, because you're not gonna catch every bar or like even half of the bars first listen, bro, because it's so much shit going on. You paying attention to the video, the beat is there, like come on, bruh. But 8 out of 10 first listen is really good. Shout out Lil Yachty, man. That is the end of this reaction though. If you like the video, shit, if you got something to say, comment and stay tuned, man. We drop music reactions damn near daily, man. Stay locked in, bruh.